Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Coquitlam, British Columbia, located in the heart of the Lower Mainland. The city is nestled between the Fraser River and the Coast Mountains, providing breathtaking views and a wealth of outdoor activities for residents and visitors alike. Coquitlam's name originates from the indigenous Coast Salish term Coquitlam, which means red fish up the river. This name reflects the area's rich indigenous history and the abundance of wildlife that once thrived in the region. Today, Coquitlam is a bustling city that offers a wide range of amenities and attractions. It is home to a variety of parks, trails, and recreational facilities, including the popular Mundy Park and the scenic Coquitlam River. Whether you're exploring the local shops and restaurants or enjoying the natural beauty of the area, Coquitlam offers a welcoming and friendly atmosphere that makes it a special place to be. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Coquitlam, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!